There's a lot of misinformation out there about insurance, and believing the wrong things could cost you big. Let's debunk the top 5 myths so you can make smarter decisions. Myth number 1. Red cars cost more to insure. Fact is, insurance companies don't care about the color of your car. What matters is your driving record, the car's make, model, and how much it costs to repair. Myth number 2. I have full coverage, so I'm protected from everything. Fact is, full coverage isn't a real term. Many policies don't include things like flood damage, rental reimbursement, or roadside assistance. Always check your policy details. Myth number 3. Home insurance covers all natural disasters. Fact is, standard home insurance does not cover floods or earthquakes. You need separate policies to protect against these disasters. Myth number 4. Minimum auto insurance is enough. Fact is, state minimums often won't fully cover medical bills, car repairs, or lawsuits. One accident could leave you paying thousands out of pocket. Myth number 5. Young, healthy people don't need life insurance. Fact is, life insurance is cheapest when you're young and healthy. Waiting too long can mean higher rates or even denied coverage. Don't let these myths put your finances at risk. Let's review your coverage and make sure you're truly protected.